How to add products to Shopify on your phone. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to add products to your Shopify store on your phone. It's gonna be very easy and simple step. So first you have to install the Shopify app. So you can go to your App Store or Play Store and then you can search Shopify and then you can download it. After you install it, you can open it and it will bring you to this dashboard. So basically this is the Shopify dashboard on phone. And then now you can navigate to the products. So this one the products, or you can click in the top left, and then as you can see there are some tab here. So there is collection, inventory, and others. So we're gonna go to products here, and as you can see these are all my products, and basically you can filter it like this. And now if you want to edit, you can just click plus icon here in the top right corner, and as you can see this is the page. So you can add the media, and then you can type the product title, maybe t-shirt just for example, and then you can add the description of your products, and then also you can choose the sales channels. I'm gonna leave it like that, and also the variant if your products need the variant like the color, the size, and others. You can customize it. And for the inventory, you can choose availability. You can add more, like this. It's up to you. And for the meta fields, you can choose the color. You can edit the colors and the age group, maybe the target gender and others. And for the shipping, you can choose the shipping weight, maybe 2 kilos or something like that. It's up to you. And yeah, you can also add the text or the SEO. And after that, you can just click save in the top right corner, and then it will add it to this page. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.